Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 62. MASIDA, MASIDA. The word MASIDA is a verb which means to drink. Again, MASIDA means to drink. How do we write MASIDA in Hangul? It is composed of 3 syllables. For the first syllable ma, we need to draw a miyam character followed by an a character. For the second syllable shi, we need to draw a siyot character followed by an e character. And for the last syllable da, we need to draw a dikit character followed by an a character. Now let's try looking at this example sentence. It says, 너 소주를 마셔요. Again, 너 소주를 마셔요. This sentence could be subdivided into the following parts. No means you. Next part is soju를. Soju pertains to the Korean drink, and 를 is added to soju to indicate that this is the object of the sentence. So soju plus 를 is soju를. Again, soju를 is just the combination of soju and 를. Soju is the Korean drink, and 를 is the object particle added to objects with vowel endings. So here's the pattern followed for object particles. If the object ending is vowel, we'll use 를. If the object ending is consonant, we'll use 을. And since soju ends with a vowel, we used 를. And last part of the sentence is 마셔요. This is the present tense form of 마시다. Again, 마셔요 is just the present tense form of 마시다, which means it is the present tense action of drinking. So how is 마시다 transformed into 마셔요? As usual, the first step is to remove da from 마시다. So now we're left with 마시. So as we have mentioned in the previous video, we will use ayo if the last vowel sound is a or o. And we will use oyo if the last vowel sound is not a or o. So for the case of mashi, since it does not end with a or o, we'll be using oyo. So mashi plus oyo is mashoyo. And again, mashoyo is just the present tense action of drinking. And this is the present tense form of mashida, which is our word for today. So looking back to this, which is flashed a while ago, we already know by now that the meaning of no soju를 마셔요 is, do you drink soju? And with that, you've just learned 마시다. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 52 to 61. But don't forget our word for today, word number 62, 마시다. This is a verb which means to drink. The first word for our review is 먹다. This is a verb which means to eat. Next word for our review is 갑시다. This is a formal way of saying let's go. Next word is 가자. This is the informal way of saying let's go. Next word is 울다. This is a verb which means to cry. Next word is 하다. This is another verb which means to do. Next word is 가다. This is another verb which means to go. Next word is 보여요 or 뭐예요, and this is used to say or ask what is it. Next word is 이름. This is the Korean term for name. Next word is 만나다. This is another verb which means to meet. And the last word for our review is Achim. This is the Korean term for morning. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.